Explain to me why it's August 3rd and there's a Christmas truck. Good afternoon, actually, not good morning this time. Sorry about my hair, it's a little bit windy. So it is currently August 3rd, 2019, and there is a festival going on just about maybe not even like 0.5 miles away, like really close, just down the hill. So this is gonna be pretty exciting. I don't know what's down there. My sister knows what's down there, so I'll ask her the question of what's down there. I don't know if there's rides. I can definitely hear the music though. I heard it last night, and I was like, okay, what's going on? Because is someone like jamming out tunes on their car? But no, I didn't know. It was actually it's called the Caribbean Festival. So who knows? Who knows what's gonna be down there? I'm pretty excited. So let's just start going down there, and I'll meet you guys down there. Not sure if the lighting is okay. I think it might be a little bit rough because it's really bright out. I tried turning it down, that didn't work out. Turning it up was the only option. So hopefully it's not too bad. But I wanted to ask, what is down there?
I don't know. It's basically just food, and then there's like a clothes section.
Okay, so
There's not animals. There's no animals or like.
So it's not like she said. There's no like animals or nothing like that. She actually used to work at like there was this bird. What was it called
Great
again?
Haven.
Great Haven. She actually worked behind the desk. So
That's actually not working because no actual like people that actually like 7-Up gets paid, but.
I'll take a large blue raspberry green apple, please. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay, so I went somewhere a little more like quiet where the music isn't there as much. So this is like a decent spot. It's under the shade. I'm just gonna finish this, and then we're gonna do a few more cinematics, maybe go check out some stuff. It's gonna be a fun day. I already know that already. And Monday I'm going to somewhere. I'm gonna vlog going to the beach. So I'm excited. We are going to Wanik, which will be fun. If you don't know, that lake is really, really, really beautiful lake. So I'm gonna finish this. Like I said, it's good. That's very good. And then this, it could be better. So yeah, we finish that, and then we'll do some more vlogging, cinematic stuff. So let's go. Explain to me why it's August 3rd and there's a Christmas truck here. Like, really? Like, it's still the middle of summer. Yeah. No. Stop, get it. Currently leaving the festival because Jana really wanted to feed birds. So we're leaving the festival to have Jana feed some birds. Yeah. She's trying to tame a crow. Oh God. I'm gonna go through this. Okay. I'll go through the stream. Except there's a big puddle right here. I'm gonna put the phone in. I need to go through that one last time. I think it's this button right here. I turned those. Kid, also turn this on. Okay. Right now, I'm clearly soaked. But we're gonna go in one last time. Oh my God! Ah! Oh, that's so cold. Oh, that's so cold. I'm soaked. My hat is just soaked. Everything's just soaked. My jeans, my shoes, my...
I'm gonna have to walk home like that.
Yeah, let's start walking home now. In soaking wet clothes. Great idea. You should definitely do this at home. Don't do that. No, don't do what she's drawn, but she drew a line. Another line. Another line. You spelling Leo?
Leah.
Oh. I was close, I guess. So the only thing that really upset me was there was no rides. I was kind of expecting rides. But, I mean, they had rides last weekend. That was the, what was the festival called last weekend? Country Fest. The Country Fest last weekend had rides, but this weekend they didn't. I didn't have a vlog channel this weekend, and we didn't really want to go on the rides because, I mean, there's like, there was very limited rides. It wasn't like an amusement park. It was more of like pop-up amusement park. It wasn't very good, so it was kind of boring, so we didn't really go on any rides, and there was, it was iffy. So we didn't go on any rides, but if I did have the vlog channel, I would have recorded that. But this is going to be the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I gotta change out of these and change into some better clothes. Is it raining? No. Felt raindrops. So yeah, that'll be the end of the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Blackberries are good? Blackberries are good.